If you're looking for a rugged smartphone that feels built to survive almost any adventure, you've probably come across the Doogee V50 Pro and the Doogee V50. On paper, they look incredibly similar. The same rugged philosophy, a massive battery, and hardware that's surprisingly powerful for this type of device. But there are a few key differences that could make one a much better choice for your need than the other. The big question is simple. Is the V50 Pro really worth paying extra for, or does the standard V50 already deliver almost everything? Let's find out. most users, the Doogee V50 is probably the smarter buy. It delivers the core rugged experience, excellent durability, a huge battery, and enough performance to handle everyday tasks and demanding environments without breaking the bank. The Doogee V50 Pro is aimed at users who want the most feature-packed model available. Its rear display adds a unique touch that tech enthusiasts will enjoy, and its upgraded night vision system can be genuinely useful for outdoor activities, inspections, or low-light scenarios. If your priority is getting the best value for money, the V50 is likely the better choice. But if you want the most eye-catching model with extra features that stand out from the crowd, the V50 Pro has more to offer.